in between them. These are called angles. See, these are called angles. This place is called angles. Okay. We can do the same with the two line segments also with the figure, given figure. Where do you locate your angle? Here, this one. Here, this one. This area. And this area. And this area. This, usually we have, when we show two, this is a point, this is one point. In this book I am showing, this is one segment, this is one segment. So in the gap between this place is called angles. Okay, this is the place where you have to note it down in your. When two rays or line segments meet at a point, end points. This is end point. This is one ray. This is one ray, AB and AC. They are meeting at a point A, which gives you angle A. This gives you angle A. How do you name this angle? Angle A. Okay. This angle is noted as like this. Angle A. See, in this picture, QR is one line segment and QP is another segment. So now we have to find out the angle. This angle is at the midpoint of Q. So you have to note it down. Angle Q. This is simplest way. One more way is R, starting point P, midpoint Q and end point R. Starting point, so that has to be written as P starting point, Q midpoint and R end point. Angle this way. Understand? Angle PQR. Here you have to write, how do you write? Starting point A, angle is at the midpoint, which is B, angle B. This is angle B, this is starting point, this is angle B, this is end point. So how do you write? A, B angle and C angle. So in this three letters have written, the midpoint B is producing angle. Midpoint B is producing angle. Understand? Understand all of you? Okay. See in this picture 4.23. Before we have seen where two points meet at a point, it produces an angle. Here how many angles have produced or produced in this one? Can you show me? This is one meeting point of two lines. This is another meeting point of two lines. This is another meeting point of two lines. Can you locate two angles, one angle or three angles? One angle is also right, two angles is also right and three angles is also right. So, can you name these angles? Angle A, B, C. This one. And this one? Angle BCA. Angle BCA. And this one? Angle CAB, otherwise BAC. Angles BAC. Note all the points. Angle A, angle B, angle C. Understand? This is the way you have to note it. Note down the, name the angles. Okay? Now, measuring angles. How do you measure angles? With what instrument, using what instrument can you measure angles? This type of measurement. You have your geometry box, isn't it? Do you all of you have? is protractor. See, lines are drawn from the midpoint to the edge of the semicircle, and one is starting with 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 up to 180 from left to right. Another measurement is starting with right to left, 0 to 180. Okay, this is called protractor, which is very useful to measure an angle. Okay, where do you find angle? When two meeting points are meet at a point, when two line segments are meeting at a point, that point produces angle. See, this angle is measured as 36 degree. So my angles are starting with 0 to 180 degree. 0 to 180 degree from left to right and right to left. Okay? Okay. This is angle 36. Angle A is 36. This angle is 36 degree. This angle is measured as, angle P is measured as, yes, 130 degree. This 130 degree. Put a small circle over the last right corner. Over the last right corner. This is called as degrees. And this is also, angle P is also 130 degree. This 36 are same, seems to be same angle, but the rotation may be vary. This is the way you have to measure. How do you measure? Wait. So, this is a line, segment. This is the meeting point of A, B and AC. Here is an angle. So, keep your protractor over there. Keep your protractor over there. The midpoint of protractor should be in this point. So, you keep your protractor see this line always to be remain on the baseline. Here one lines are there. This is the starting point. This is the starting point B. This C. So count from here 0, 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 50, 50 up to at what degree this line is seated. At that point only you have to note down how many degrees are there. Degrees 36 degree. Okay, this is the way you have to measure and answer the angle. Understand? Next one is special angles. Special angles, what are they? Some angles are special. 90 degrees is one such. That is called as right angle. See the picture. This AB is a line, base line, and AC is a straight upright line to AB. The angle made at A is 90 degree. When you keep the protractor at the base of AB, you can see that this line and the angle made between AB and AC is 90 degree. That that angle is called as right angle. That angle is called as right angle. Okay. This is a special angle. Likewise, see these clocks. Examples can be seen at crossroads, chessboard, TV. This book end, all four corners of this book pages are at angle 90 degree. These angles are called right angle. And acute angle. Next one is acute angle. The clocks shown in the picture are showing different angles. Very less than 90 degree. So these angles, each angles are less than 90 degree. This may be 90, lesser 90. This may be 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 a lesser 90. So these the angles which are less than 90 are called acute angles. Angles smaller than 90 are called acute angles. Okay. So right angle, acute angle. Next one is obtuse angle. How do you pronounce it? Obtuse angle. Any guess of obtuse angle definitions? Yes. These angles are absolutely greater than this right angle. Greater than the right angle. See, this angle is, this is 90 degree, but greater than 90 degree. This is 90 degree, but greater than 90 degree. Greater than 90 degree. Greater than 90 degree. So these are called obtuse angle. The angles which are more than 90 degree are called obtuse angle. Okay. So here is an activity given to you. When you are extending your arms to the east and west, you are facing north and south. This angle is 90 and this angle is 90, 90, 90. This is which direction will you face if you start facing west and take 3 right turns clockwise? Which direction will you face if start facing west? See, this is your west side. You are facing this way. When you take 3 right turns to clockwise, first right, you are facing, this is north side. East. First right, north side. Second right, 90 degree. You will face eastern side. And third right, you will face definitely the south side. Understand? South side. Likewise, which direction will you face if you start facing north side and take 2 right turns? North side and 2 take right turns anti-clockwise. This is clockwise. This rotation is clockwise rotation. Our wall clock shows rotates in a clockwise direction only. Anti-clockwise rotation means rotating this way. Okay, so answer me, which direction will you face this time? Okay, next one, angle measurement using protractor. Angle measurement using protractor. Take your protractor, keep it on the table. See, this is the center point. This is the center point. This is the baseline. This is the baseline. This is inner scale, this is inner scale, this is outer scale. This is starting with 0 to, outer scale is starting with 0 to 180 degree and our inner scale start with 0 to 180 degree opposite direction. How do you measure using this protractor? So, this baseline always 0 degree. This baseline always shows 0 degree. So, how do you, if you want to measure this PQ, this is the baseline, keep the baseline PQ here or P. Keep this point 0 point and this at this point. Okay, PQ, the line is PQ here, this is the main point and you are keeping here and this angle shows is 90 degree. PQ, when you are keeping your protractor over this one, this angle made is 90 degree. Using protractor to draw an acute angle, keep a point over 90 degree and take it out and draw it in the pencil. Now I will show it in another way. This is PQ. You are going to draw a right angle. You are going to keep your protractor over here. Okay, counting this from the outer line 0 to count. You are going to write right angle. Right angle. What is the right angle? 90 degree. So keep a dot on the 90 degree. The 90 degree is here. Take the protractor away. Take the protractor away. And draw a line, draw a line through this point. This is the way you are going to draw 90 degree. Understand? Okay. Next, we are going to draw acute angle. We are going to draw acute angle. What is acute angle? Less than 90 degree. Less than 90 degree. You take a protractor to draw an angle of 45 degree. You are going to draw angle. So keep, this is the PQ line. Keep the protractor over here and count down 0 to 45 degree. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. Keep a dot on this 45 degree line and take the protractor away and draw this line. Draw this line. Shall we do in our now we are going to write acute angle. That is 45 degree. Keep your protractor over here. This is the mid point. Keep it. Count 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 40. In between 40 and 50 you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 45. Keep a point over there and draw, take it away the protractor and figure that I have drawn are not exact, so you do very perfectly, please. I keep a dot on 45 degree and draw along the 45 degree and it shows 45 degree. Okay. Using protractor and obtuse angle you are going to draw. Keep the protractor at the base of PQ line, and P is this point, and obtuse angle 120 degree. You are going to draw 120 degree. Count from 0 to 120. Keep a dot on the 120 point and take away the protractor. You will, and then you have to draw a line from P to that point. This is 120 degree. Okay. This is right away and this is left. When you are keeping P this way, you are counting 0 to this way. Okay. This is the activity you are going to see. This is acute angle. These are acute angle. This is right angle. This is obtuse angle. This is angle 180 degree. See the protractor angle how much? 180 degree. This is acute angle. This is also acute angle. There won't be seen any angle. So angle is 0. This is acute angle. Try this. This is the clock. One is hour hand. Another one is minute hand. 12 point. Time 12.10 is 12.10 shows the acute angle. 12.40. 12.40 shows obtuse angle. And 3.25. 3.25 which shows acute angle. You fill it up. Okay. Okay. Very special angles are zero angle. The angle which does not have any inclination, that is called zero angle. Straight angle, zero angle or 180 degree angles are straight angle. The angles A, B, A, C. There is no angle and this angle is 180 degree. This angle is straight angle. Okay. So this is very important. Zero angle and straight angle. Straight angle is equal to 180 degree. Special pairs of angles. Special pairs of angles. Pairs means two angles. Two angles. Complementary angles and supplementary angles. What are they? Complementary angles and supplementary angles. Complementary angles, two angles when they added, if they give 90 degree, those two angles are called complementary. Two angles are complementary if they add up to 90 degree. Two angles are supplementary when they added up to 180 degree. Okay. See this picture. See this picture. This picture. There are two angles. One is 20, another one is 70. This 20 when added to 70 degree, it gives a right angle. It gives a right angle. So 20 is complementary to 70. These angles are complementary angles. Okay. So if the angle is 30 degree, when it join with the 60 degree, it gives definitely an right angle. So 30 and 60 are complementary. 20 and 70 are complementary. 10 and 90 are 80s are complementary angles. 20 and 70s are complementary angles. 30 and 60s are complementary angles. Okay. Supplementary angles. Here the angle is 30 degree. This 30 degree is added to 147, it gives 180 degree. It gives 180 degree. These two angles are called supplementary angles. Okay, these two angles are called supplementary angles. Now you go to the exercise 4.2, do the sum. Angles, use any number of given dots to make different angles. What angles? This one right angle, this one acute angle, this one, like this you draw. Name the vertex and the sides from each angle. EDF, CDE. EDF shows right angle, CDF shows acute angle. Sides, vertex EDF. Sides are ED, DF. Pick up the right angles from the given. Pick up the right angle. This one is right angle, this one is right angle, this one is right angle. Is this right angle? Is this right angle? No. Pick out the acute angle. This one is right acute, this one is acute. Pick out the obtuse angle. Angle above 90 degree. Name the angle in each figure given below in all possible ways. Name the angle in each figure given below in all possible ways. Angle LMN. Angle LMN. Here angle PQR. One more angle is there. Angle NML. Here you write 2. Here you write 2. See, true or false? These are complement. When they added together, does it give any 90 degrees? If yes, they are complement. Are they complementary? No. Are they supplementary? If they added together, will they give any 180 degree? If yes, supplementary. If no, they are not supplementary. 0, 180 degree? Yes, supplementary degree. Draw and label each angles. NAS, NAS, AS, N. Likewise, you draw this. Identify the types of angles shown in the hands. What type of angle is this one? This one 0. This one 180 or straight angle. This one acute angle. This one obtuse angle. This one right angle. Good. Find the supplementary and complementary angles in each. Supplementary angle of 25 is, you have to draw 90. From 90, subtract this 25, you will get this complementary. 65 is the complementary angle of 25. Supplementary angle 165. 25 plus 165. Okay, 25. Supplementary angle, subtract from 180. 5, 7, 5, 155. Here 5, 155. Okay, likewise you find out this one, these two. Understand? Okay. Complete this exercise and WhatsApp to me.